Hey everyone, Izzy and MJ from Endless RVing. So we have some exciting news. I'm sure you've heard of it, or maybe not. Maybe you haven't heard of it yet. But the long-awaited rumor of Tiffin getting into the Super C, right? The super hot Super C market has finally arrived. Tiffin did announce their new Allegro Bay Super C. And we're going to talk about it today.
Right, it's pretty exciting.
Yeah, so there's a couple different floor plans.
You have the 38AB and the 38BB, and the distinct difference is the 38AB is a 1-bath, 38BB is 1.5 baths.
Right, and that
so
1.5 bath, you're actually giving up you're giving up a couch.
Right.
Now, both the floor plans, they're on the same chassis. They're both 39 feet, 4 inches in length. They are on the Freightliner S2RV chassis, and we talked about Super Cs. We actually did a video on it. We're going to link it above. We kind of talk about right from entry level all the way up to the very top, some of the differences you're going to find in the Super Cs. Regarding this actual unit, here are some specs. Like I said, on the S2RV chassis, it's coming with the Cummins ISB 6.7 liter. That's going to give you 360 horsepower, 800 foot-pounds of torque. It's coming with the Allison 3000 Motorhome transmission. Plenty of other specs. We're going to actually put, the links below or all the specs.
Right,
some
so
of
you can read.
Yes, some of the important ones we're going to talk about. You're going to have a TrackTech full-time no-spin differential. Rear air. What's cool about this one, there's a feature that you can dump the rear air manually. So that what's going to do, you can lower and raise the rear.
Right.
It's going to allow you to hook things up much easier. 185 amp alternator. You're also going to have 2 12-volt chassis batteries and 4 AGM house batteries, which is pretty awesome.
So standard, you are going to have a lot of your things that you would expect. You're going to have solid surface countertops, you have vinyl flooring, soft vinyl ceiling. You're going to have a queen bed. You can option out for a king, though. What's cool, this comes with the Truma AquaGo, the tankless water heater, which we love. You actually can option in the hydronic heating as well.
Standard's going to be propane.
Propane, yes. So you can get that. Is it Oasis or?
It's the 250 AquaHot.
The AquaHot, okay.
Yep.
So that's a cool option if you wanted to go for that. You're going to have 6 exterior colors to choose from. I actually really like the color patterns. They're very, very neat. In terms of interior, you're going to have 2 wood choices. You'll have like a lighter and then almost like a dark gray. I think it's called a shadow or something.
Yeah.
So 2 interior choices of cabinet colors.
Yeah, and Tiffin always does really nice woodwork. So it's going to be solid wood on the woodwork. 2 15K BTU air conditioners, 8,000 watt Onan generator. That's going to come standard. Now, let's talk about some of the specs that you're really going to want to know, like the chassis specs. So like I said,
tanks too.
39 feet 4 inches in length, overall height 13.2, overall width 101. Here are some important things. Fuel tank is going to be 100 gallons, diesel of course. DEF fluid, 10 gallons. Fresh water. Now this is pretty common on your Super Cs. 150 gallons of fresh, 45 black, 70 on gray. LP is going to be 24 gallons if you just stay with the regular, basic, what it comes with. Now here's some of the important stuff. So you have the front axle weight, 12,000 pounds. The rear, 21,000 pounds. Gross vehicle weight rating is 33,000 pounds. The combined weight rating is 48,000 pounds, and what is the hitch rating?
So now this one we were a little surprised at. The hitch rating is 12,000 pounds.
That is your tow rating.
Yeah, that's all you're going to get for that.
So we anticipate seeing this at Tampa. We hope to do a full review on it.
Yes, we are planning on doing that.
And then we're going to tell you guys what we think. You can't really see the bays and stuff. You can't tell until you're on these things, right?
We're really looking forward to seeing it.
Yeah, so in the comments below, let us know. Did you hear about this new Tiffin? What do you think about it? Is it something that you'd be interested, something that you're going to want to see when we do that review video? Put it in the comments below. And for myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.